Back guys to the Lamborghini build. I got a confession to make. I didn't press play on the camera when I was doing this. Things have changed a little bit. I've now got the engine out of the car and the car is now well, you have a look. Yeah, I know my bad, sorry. Yeah, basically I need to get the engine out. I wanted to do some put some more panels on underneath and get these done, and you kind of missed me struggling to pick a car up on its side. Yeah, on my own, by the way, on my own. So what I did is I got the engine out and I made a little frame for that as well. Nice little frame it stands on, and I've already put the one panel in, as you can see, and now I'm going to panel this bit here and some of the back. So I thought I'd better make sure the camera's on this time so you can get to see a little fabrication work, you know. So let's get to it. $60. Should always protect your ears. And your eyes. My glasses are gone. Don't do this at home without eye protection. I'm a trained idiot. So you kids don't copy what I'm doing, alright? Right. We cut out steel with some really sharp edges, so we're going to use this soft wheel all around the edges, clean up so we don't cut our fingers. Your protection on. Use the old razor. Then you need the new Deluxe Max 3000. It will get you the cleanest shave of your life. Don't you just hate commercials? Anyway, we've got our pit now and we're going to see if he matches up nice. Like a glad. So we'll crack a welder out and we'll weld that on, sheet metal up on here now, clamped it, ground it away where we're going to weld. I got my gear on, looking very snazzy, you know what I'm on about. And yeah, we're gonna tack it in place. I don't want to have the camera on because I don't know if I'm going to damage the camera, and you're the only camera I got, so I'm going to turn you off and then turn you back on again. Alright? Right, see you in a minute. That's good. Not bad. We're all done now though. And now I'll wipe it down with some acetone, and I got some, what's it called? Red oxide to spray on in and some black spray paint, and job done. Right, I'm going to rub down. Get it all nice and clean. Ready for. After you rub that down, obviously better than that. And then we'll put some red primer aerosol, and then we'll give it a spray with some satin black and make it all nice and beautiful, and make it look like that one over there. She's in there. Anyway, let's get back to cleaning this, and then we'll give it a spray. See, I had to do 4 more welds on the back end to stop it pinging. Now we're going to give it some red primer. Oh, and I lost the top. I went and broke it. No. There we go. So let's get high as a kite now. Spraying this, and then we'll give it 10 minutes to dry. Always make sure you do it in a ventilated area, of course. That's why I got the fan on. Going it round in circles so I get out of the kite. Only joking. Just getting tough now, man. We'll let that dry then. And we'll come back and do another coat, and then put some black on it. Now we've got our primer on, a red oxide. Now it's time to cover it up in black. I'm not worried too much about overspray on the arms, because they'll be resprayed, they will. When we get the ground, this car back down on the ground, so we'll let that dry now, and then we'll do another coat. That'll be it for this. That'll be it. That'll be it for this episode, and catch you on the next one. Cheers, guys.